This first example we have here, we're trying to solve for the y variable. What we're trying to do is isolate the variable. So we have to do what's known as reverse order of operations. So we have to undo certain operations. So in this case, what we want to undo first is the addition of 20. So we're going to subtract 20 from both sides. Remember the rule in algebra, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. So that leaves me with negative 3y on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, I've got 2 and I subtract 20 and I've got negative 18. Then I will divide both sides by negative 3. A negative divided by a negative makes a positive, leaving us with a solution of 6. Our second example here. Again, we're going to try and isolate our variables on one side and our constants on the other. So to isolate the constants, we need to add 11 to both sides. And to isolate our variables, we're going to subtract 7x from both sides. So what will happen on the left-hand side is I'm just going to be left with negative 3x. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to have positive 33. Dividing by negative 3 on both sides is going to leave me with a negative result for x. In this case, it is negative 11. The next example requires a great deal more work. So you see, we have a parentheses here, and we can't get rid of it in an easy way, so we must distribute the negative 2 that's at the front. In both cases, there's a negative 2 at the front. So the 6 is going to remain. And then that leaves me with negative 8y and negative 2. The 3y remains. And now we have negative 4y and negative 10. We can simplify further. We've got 6 minus 2. So I've got negative 8y plus 4. And then 3y minus 4y is negative y minus 10. We need to isolate our variables. So first, I'm going to add y to both sides. And I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. Bringing us up over here. I've got negative 8y plus y, leaving me with negative 7y. The 4 is gone. And I've got negative 10 on the right-hand side, minus another 4, leaving me with negative 14. Divide both sides by negative 7, leaving you with y being equal to 2.